Finding the right keywords is one of the most important steps in building a successful Amazon listing. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Helium 10's magnet tool to uncover high-volume, low-competition keywords that can help you to rank your listing higher and convert more customers. If you want to try Helium 10's tools yourself, check out the link in the video description and don't forget to use Orange10 coupon code to get 10% off when you subscribe for their service.
Hey, welcome back to Orange Klik YouTube channel, where we help Amazon sellers grow their business through tools, tutorials, and updates that matter. If you're just getting started on Amazon and struggling to figure out how to find the right keywords for your product listings, you're in the right place. My name is Nikki from Orange Klik, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to use Helium 10's magnet tool to uncover high-volume, low-competition keywords for your first or next Amazon product. This is a step-by-step, beginner-friendly guide, and we'll be using a real product example in the kitchen and dining category, so you can follow along in real time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a keyword research using Helium 10 magnet, filter for keywords that actually convert, and build a solid keyword list that will give your product a fighting chance to rank and sell. Let's dive in. We'll use a stainless steel garlic press as our real-world product example. It's a common kitchen and dining item, competitive, but still full of keyword opportunities if you know how to find them. We're going to do what we do for an actual product launch. Go through keyword research as if we were preparing the listing from scratch. What is Helium 10's magnet tool? Helium 10 magnet is one of the most powerful tools inside the Helium 10 suite. It allows you to find real Amazon search data, not Google search. No guesses, but actual keywords buyers are typing into Amazon right now. This is critical because the right keyword strategy is what determines if your listing shows up or gets buried. Now, let's set up our first keyword search. Head to Magnet Tool, type in a seed keyword, for example, garlic press. Choose your marketplace, and we are using the usamazon.com, and click Get Keywords. Remember to exclude the variation words. Magnet will return thousands of related keyword ideas. And now let's filter that list to find keywords worth targeting. Before we jump into filters, let's break down some of the key features inside Magnet, because this is what makes it more than just a keyword generator. Magnet has Magnet IQ Score. This is Helium 10's own scoring system that shows keyword opportunity based on search volume versus competition. The higher the score, the better the keyword potential. As for the search volume, these are actual Amazon search numbers, so you're not guessing. You're seeing real demand data, sponsored ASINs, and competing products. It will help you estimate how competitive a keyword is based on how many products are bidding for ads or ranking organically. And for advanced filters and sorting, for CPR score or Cerebral Product Rank, it tells you how many sales are typically needed to rank in the top 10 for that keyword. Super useful for launch planning. And lastly, advanced filters and sorting. You can include or exclude terms, set search volume ranges, filter for word count, and even remove branded keywords with a single click. This isn't just about discovering keywords. It's about finding opportunities others are missing. Now, let's say you're launching your first product and you don't have reviews or traction yet. You don't want to compete for garlic press with 10,000 reviews, right? Here's what to do for a launch-friendly filter strategy. Search volume is 300 to 3,000. Word count is minimum of 3 long-tail keywords. Magnet IQ score of 700. And exclude branded terms. Sort the Magnet IQ from descending. These are the example results. So we have here the garlic press rocker. It has a keyword sales of 119 per month and a Magnet IQ score of 4,112 with a search volume of 2,132 and a search volume increase in trend of 22%. Then we can see here the suggested PPC bid for this keyword, quite cheap. So it means that it is not too competitive. We have the sponsored ASINs. We have 257 ASINs that are using this keyword inside their PPC campaigns. We have less than 434 products competing in a CPR of 39. So we have a match type of organic, smart complete, and Amazon recommended for this one. The next example would be this one, garlic rocker press. It has a keyword sales of 34 within a month and a Magnet IQ score of 1,489, search volume of 655, and a rise in trend of 34% for the search term. The PPC bid is also quite low, so it's also nice to have this or take this. And we have only 198 ASINs competing for this product or using these keywords inside their PPC campaigns. Less than 440 are competing. CPR is 10. There's this also the garlic mincer tool, a different variation of a garlic press mincer. It has 47 keyword sales per month with a Magnet IQ score of 1,254 and decent search volume of 1,254 as well. We can see that there's also an increase in the trend of search for this keyword phrase. Very good or affordable PPC bids, low or few sponsored ASINs, and less than 1,000 competing products. And this means that the lower competition, it has decent amount of monthly searches and high buying intent. This strategy helps you target the long tail. These are keywords that are easier to rank for with higher conversion rates because they reflect specific customer needs. Next filter strategy is a PPC research strategy. If you're preparing your Amazon ads campaign, here's a way to find high volume, mid-competition keywords to test. For PPC keyword filter strategy, the search volume should be 300 to 1,000. A Magnet IQ score of 300 to 700. Include keywords like buy, kitchen, easy, manual. Sort by search volume descending. These are the example keywords that we have found. Master Kitchen Tool with 98 units of keyword sales, Magnet IQ score of 953, and a search volume of 1,906. What I like about Magnet tool is that they also show the keyword distribution wherein you'll be able to see the total keywords that are gathered with this main seed keyword here, which is the garlic press. How many keywords are ranking organically? How many keywords are belonging to paid keywords or sponsored keywords? How many of these keywords belong to Smart Complete? And how many of these keywords belong to Amazon recommended? You can also look at the historical trend here. You can look back at least 12 months of data to observe changes in the historical rank, search volume, and sales. You can filter these insights to observe seasonality by using the interactive chart. Here you'll be able to see the total number of keywords by type. So we have here the organic as the dark one. There's the paid, total search volume for the green one, red for the total keyword sales, and blue for input keyword search volume. Let's say for 6 months, we can see that as well. This will really help you a lot thinking if your product is high in demand all throughout the year or it's really just a seasonal product. It will help you make database decisions in order to proceed with the right keywords to add to your product listing. We can also see here the word frequency wherein we can check how many times this kitchen, the keyword kitchen is being used in the search terms and the succeeding ones. These keywords are perfect for sponsored product targeting. They have decent volume and show shopping intent, making them ideal for ads even if you're just starting out. As for the filter strategy number 3 for listing optimization strategy, once your product is live, your job shifts to indexing for more keywords over time. This filter strategy is for ongoing optimization. For the optimization filter strategy, the Magnet IQ score should be a minimum of 150 to a maximum of 2,000. Search volume of minimum of 500 per month, a minimum word count of 2, and exclude the keywords that are already in your product title. And phrases containing should be travel, easy, manual, durable, and all. For these filters, we were able to see 129 narrowed down keywords. And these are the keywords that we can strategically select, like this one, garlic masher and garlic smasher. Both have decent amount of keyword sales, Magnet IQ score of more than 1,000, and a search volume of 592 and 655 at the same time. Although the search volume trend is decreasing by 1 digit. The PPC bid is still very affordable, meaning that the sponsored ASINs as well that are using these keywords are also very low. Hence, really makes sense to use these new keywords just to test if we can index and start with getting ranked. We can also use this garlic crusher stainless steel. Just okay, keyword sales, magnet IQ score of 825, and search volume of 592. PPC bids are still very affordable, low competition as well. And we only have to sell 9 units of this product in order to break into the top 10 ranking. Same as the garlic presses, right? So we have magnet IQ score of 590, decent amount of search volume, and as well as less than 1,000 competing products. These are keywords you can slowly add to back-end search term, A+ content, or even rotate into future listing updates to gain organic indexing over time. Now, if you're ready to try out Magnet and the full Helium 10 suite, here's something to help you get started affordably. Use our exclusive Orange Click coupon code in the description, Orange Click 10 for 10% off every month, and Orange Click 6M20 for 20% off your first 6 months. Just enter it when signing up at helium10.com. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, you know how powerful Helium 10 Magnet can be. It's not just a keyword tool, it's a roadmap to finding real Amazon search demand, filtering out the noise, and uncovering profitable opportunities your competitors might be missing. Whether you're launching your first product or optimizing an existing listing, Magnet helps you target keywords that actually convert based on real buyer behavior, not guesswork. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We post new tutorials every week to help Amazon sellers like you grow smarter and faster. This is Nikki from Orange Click. Keep learning, keep testing, and let Magnet help you rank higher and sell more. See you in the next one.
I do hope that this video will help you to find the right keywords to rank higher and drive more sales on Amazon. And if you want to try Helium 10 yourself, you will find the link below in the description, as well as a coupon code ORANGE10, which will give you 10% discount when you sign up with them. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons, and if you have additional questions about the tutorial you just watched, leave them in the comments section below. And now I recommend you to watch another video where you will learn how to find winning products to sell on Amazon using Helium 10's tools. So check this out.